I have here a GoPro Hero 7 Black. I'm going to show you how to turn the screen rotation on and off. Okay, what they call it is a landscape lock, and currently I have it off. Okay, and there's three modes: it's off, up, or down. Okay, so if you have it off, basically what happens if the screen will basically rotate. So let me go ahead and like turn this over here. You can see it rotate. Okay, and the same thing on the front screen as well. Let me just put this into regular camera mode here. Now flip it over like this. This is right side up, and if I turn it upside down, it's going to flip over as well. And the same thing over here, you can see it right there. If I turn it over, it's going to flip back around as well, just like that. Now to get into here, what you want to do is just top to the bottom, slide down. We want to go to preferences, and then here we want to scroll down and we want to go to touch display. Tap on that, and then again, here it is, landscape lock. Tap on that. So we have off, we have up. So basically if you leave it on up, it's going to keep everything right side up. Doesn't matter if you turn it upside down or not. So for example, we'll put it on up. The thing is, it's not highlighted in blue, so it's still on off. So make sure you go ahead and tap on it. Now we know it's up, okay? And we can see the screen is right side up now. If I look on here, we can see landscape lock is up. And now it's going to be, this is the way I like it. I always leave it up. Okay, so it doesn't rotate. So it's right side up. Even if I flip it over, it's still going to be right side up. It's not going to, the screen is not going to rotate at all. And of course you have one more setting here, which basically is down. And what that basically does is turns everything upside down, and it keeps it that way. So for example, landscape lock will go here, and now we're going to go ahead and we're going to go to down, and then make sure you have to tap it so it turns blue. Okay, now you can see if I go to mode here, now this is right side up right here, but you can see this is upside down and the screen is upside down as well. Even if I turn it over, it's going to stay in that position. Okay, so, and again, I like to have mine in the up setting. So pretty simple. Any questions or anything, just comment below. All right, thanks for watching, guys. Bye. Leave mine on up, just like that.